Are we going to see a bottom for Bitcoin and the crypto market this week? Make sure to stick around so you guys are aware of what's going on. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Turn on post notifications, and let's get right into it. So today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. And we're going to see the price movement that is currently going on, because what we see is very concerning for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So first off, we're going to do a technical analysis and price news for Bitcoin. As you guys can see, it is creating this descending channel. As you guys can see, overall it's back again, guys, into this ascending channel. As you guys can see, this is what we don't want to see for Bitcoin and the crypto market, because this means we can see more downfall for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other crypto coins. So yes, make sure to stick around. If we look right here, overnight, it is the first day, Monday, we have seen red. It is actually down 4% today. As you guys can see, it has been selling very hard. As you guys can see the volume here, it is sitting around 21,800, and if it goes below to 21,600, we can see Ethereum test the support of 20,000 once again, which is very, very dangerous. Because if we test this, especially with the news and the Fed meetings and the specific dates that are upcoming, we can see Bitcoin bottom in the next week, the next month. But we must be aware of these dates, especially July 26th, the Fed meeting. Yes, if things go bad, we can see the crypto market crash, and then we can finally see the bottom for Bitcoin. If you want to know what the bottom is for Bitcoin, make sure to stick around. Okay, as you guys can see, this is very concerning because we tried to break or bounce up, but we managed to bounce back down around this area. As you guys can see, the $22,000 level, and now we're heading down. We're gonna have to wait for the next couple days and next couple hours to see if we continue to head down. This is very, very dangerous. We touched the bottom of the Bollinger Band. We are around the 30, so we're still not in the oversold. So we can see more downfall for Bitcoin, especially because everyone is waiting for the Fed meeting to occur, so we can see red for the next day or so until the Fed meeting occurs. So yes, things are not looking good for Bitcoin, BTC. Now moving on to Ethereum. As I said, guys, Ethereum as well is selling. Just yesterday, it was stuck in this horizontal channel, bouncing up and down, where we saw the strong resistance of 1630 to the strong support of 1480. We still haven't broke down below the 1480, but it is possible we can see that today, so we must be aware. If we do, we can see possibly 13. We can possibly go back to 1370. So we must be aware. As you guys can see, yesterday it did close around exactly 1600. This is very, very sketchy. This seems like it's all planned out and manipulated, because Bitcoin closed exactly at 22,600, along with Ethereum at exactly 1600. Very, very concerning. Yes, and as you guys can see, after it closed, we saw Ethereum sell. You guys see the red candlesticks? It was going on for a couple hours, recovered, bounced up, and now we're heading down again. And today it is down 5%. If you look at the volume, it is selling a lot of volume. If we look at the RSI, it's sitting around 37, so we're not in the overbought or sold. So it looks very, very similar to Bitcoin. As I said, Ethereum ETH does follow Bitcoin, even though it's losing strength. But you got to remember, Bitcoin is the captain, is the head of cryptocurrency. So whatever Bitcoin does, all of cryptocurrencies will follow. So that's what we see with Ethereum. As you guys can see, it is sticking around. It is holding around the $1,500 price range. How long will this last for? We don't know. We must look at Bitcoin before we even think about what Ethereum will do. As I said, the Fed meeting is occurring on the 26th through the 27th. So we will, have to keep an eye out for the Fed meeting. And, if we see a lot of bad news, interest hikes go up to 100 basis points, well, guys, we're going to have to sell our crypto and wait because we can see a bottom. If you look right here, we did touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band. We did bounce up and we're testing it again. Along with the RSI, it's down at 36 or 37. So we can possibly see the next couple hours Ethereum and Bitcoin head down because it is very weak. It's not very active because every investor in crypto is waiting for the Fed meeting. Yes, guys, every crypto investor is waiting because based off what they do, they're going to react. If everything goes as planned, they're going to start buying. It's going to start pumping Ethereum and Bitcoin. But if they raise it to 100 basis points, well, people are going to start selling and waiting for the bottom for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So now that you made it this far, my price prediction for Ethereum and Bitcoin. I do believe we're going to see the Fed meeting affect the crypto markets negatively. That's all I'm going to say. That is my prediction. Because of that, I do see Ethereum by the end of next week, Sunday, closing around the, I would say, $1,100 price range. We're going to close around $1,100 price range by the end of Sunday. Along with Bitcoin, we are going to close Bitcoin on the weekly time frame at 20,000. That is my price prediction because I do believe the Fed meeting will negatively affect the crypto market. Now that you made it this far, I'm going to talk about the bottoms for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yes, I do believe we have not seen the bottom for Bitcoin and Ethereum. How low can they go? When will this happen? I'm going to explain that right now. So, I do believe we're going to see the bottom for Bitcoin, Ethereum by the end of August. It can happen before August. It can happen in July. But all I do know is it's going to happen before the end of August. Now, how low can this go? Well, after doing some research, I will make another video on this, so make sure to subscribe, turn post notifications. Basically, the bottom for Bitcoin is around $1,300 to $1,400 price, along with Ethereum sitting around $500 to $700 for Ethereum. So if you look right now is a good time. Remember, it's not financial advice to sell your crypto because you will for sure make your money if you sell right now because it's high and wait for a 50% correction. You make your money again. Like, come on, guys. Simple. That is how you make your money. That's not financial advice. Do what you want to do with your money. But with that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.